Hello everyone, welcome to the lecture series videos of hydraulics and pneumatics. In the previous lecture, we discussed about the applications of fluid power in different engineering fields. So, in the continuation of that video, we are going to discuss about the basic components used in fluid power systems. So, these components, two components come maybe same for the fluid power systems, and few of the components differs from the system. So we know very well the fluids can be categorized into incompressible fluids and compressible fluids. So based on the nature of the fluid, we have different types of fluid power system. The fluid power system which deals with incompressible fluids are called hydraulic systems, and the fluid power system which deals with compressible fluids are called pneumatic systems. So the components may differ in both of the systems. We are going to discuss about those things in the upcoming slides. First, we are going to discuss about the components of hydraulic system. So in this components of hydraulic system, we have a reservoir, pump, prime mover, valves, actuators, and piping system. The first and foremost component is reservoir. So reservoir is nothing but it is a tank which is used to store the fluid under atmospheric pressure in the hydraulic system. So here this circuit explains about the how the fluid power system components are connected together to form a circuit to get the mechanical advantage. So here we have a reservoir which is connected with the pump. So the second and foremost component is the pump, which is used to increase the pressure energy of the fluid, or we can say pump is the device which converts mechanical energy into pressure energy. And this pump is driven by means of a prime mover. The prime mover may be an electric motor or a IC engine. So depending upon the application, the prime mover may differ. Maybe it is used in automobiles, the prime mover may be a IC engine. Or if it is used for industrial applications, the prime mover may be a motor. The prime mover which drives the pump so that uh, the mechanical energy is delivered to the pump, which converts the mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. And the third component, valves. Suitable control valves are used to control the parameters of the fluid or liquid. So, so there are the three parameters we need to control. One is direction of the fluid, second is pressure of the fluid, third is flow rate of the fluid. For controlling direction, we have a direction control valve. For controlling pressure, we have a pressure control valves. For controlling flow rate, we have a flow control valves. So after controlling the parameters, the pressurized liquid is sent to the actuator. The actuator may be a linear actuator or rotary actuator. For this illustration, I have in the linear actuator. So it is a double acting cylinder which will make extension and retraction according to the direction of flow of pressurized fluid. Then the last component is a piping system which connects all the components in the circuit. The second thing is the components of the pneumatic system. So the pneumatic system which deals with pressurizing the fluid of incompressible. So incompressible fluids we are pressurizing. So here Here also we have the same component, the only the component which is changed is instead of pump we are using a compressor. So here the foremost component is it is not a reservoir. Here we have a compressor where the pressure is the compressor which takes air from atmosphere or ambient by a filter. So filter is an element which isolates the foreign contaminants from the air. Then the power is given to the compressor by means of prime mover. In this case also, prime mover may be an electric motor or the IC engine, which gives mechanical power to the compressor. The compressor which converts mechanical energy into pressure energy of the compressible fluid. So which compresses the fluid and the pressure of the fluid is increased and it is stored in the reservoir or receiver or tank. In between few components, intercooler and separator are there to cool the air after compression so that we can store more amount of fluid in the reservoir. Then it is then sent to the suitable direction control valves or pressure control valve or flow control valve and it is directed to the actuator. So finally the actuator which will perform the linear motion or rotary motion according to the type of actuator. So here I have illustrated double acting cylinder which is controlled by means of a direction control valve. So the extension and retraction can be done in the actuator. Finally, we have a piping system which connects all the elements in the circuit. So this is how the circuits can be framed with the help of fluid power components. And these are all the references. Fluid Power by Anthony Esposito by Years in Education in the year of 2003 and Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines by R.K. Bansal published by Lakshmi Publications in the year of 2021. So I hope the components of hydraulics and pneumatic system, the video is useful for you. Thanks for watching this video.